Most cancer deaths are caused by metastatic cancer. Metastasis occurs when cancer cells break off from the original tumor, which is also called the primary tumor, travel through the body and begin to grow in other tissues and organs. Metastasis causes death by damaging important organs, such as the brain, lungs, and liver. Cancer cells continually break off from the primary tumor. Some of these cells may move into nearby blood vessels and lymph vessels. Cancer cells can travel along these vessel highways to other parts of the body. Many cancer cells die while traveling through the blood and lymph vessels, but some may survive and stick to the vessel wall, then move through the vessel wall into another body tissue. These cells may then divide and form a metastatic tumor. Where are cancer cells most likely to spread? Cancer cells tend to spread to certain places in the body depending on the site where the tumor first formed. For example, breast cancer tends to spread to the bones, lungs, liver, and brain, and colon cancer tends to spread to the lungs and liver. It's important to remember that a metastatic tumor is the same type of cancer as the primary tumor. In this example, colon cancer cells have traveled through blood vessels and formed metastatic tumors in the liver. These metastatic tumors are colon cancer, not liver cancer. Metastatic colon cancer is usually treated with drugs and other therapies used to treat colon cancer. Researchers at the National Cancer Institute and other research organizations are studying metastasis and ways to prevent it. Preventing metastasis will help prevent many cancer deaths.